Today in warm-up, I'd like to see a two-point position. This will help us get ready for our new skill that we're going to execute today. And to get into our two-point, we're going to raise up out of our saddle.
Evie, I just want you to be close enough to her that she can hear her words.
Have our reins on our horse's neck and our hands on our horse's neck for support. And we will do that for the count of 10. So let's begin our two-point position. Rebecca, can you close your hip? Nice, nice. I like that posture on your horse, the alignment. It will help your horse as well as you. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You may sit back in your saddle. Let's have a half circle turn reverse. Turn to the inside of the arena using your inside rein. And then back on the rail. Now let's try another two-point position. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Tyndall, I like your form and your alignment as you do your two-point on Solomon. It helps his back. It looks very nice. It helps strengthen your muscles for two-pointing over the poles. Rebecca, nice. Can we close that hip joint just a little bit? Bend the knee a little more. Let's keep some balance. Nice. I like how you've corrected that alignment. Now you may sit back down. Let's ask our horses to go into a little posting trot as we finish. No, I'd like for you to turn at the letter K and come into the center of the arena. And have a whoa at the center. Rebecca at K. Turn into the center of the arena. And Tyndall, I'll ask you to come to the center of the arena, leaving a normal distance between each horse so that we don't have any problems with our horses. You may ask your horse to whoa.
Varro says, I want to go behind a bit and counterbend because I'm just that
Okay,
amazing.
I want you to do a tack check.
Okay.
And that you're good to go. You may
Okay.
walk on. And here comes Miss Tyndall on Solomon. How fun, how fun. Oh, let's keep our hands a little closer to the saddle and the neck and not so bouncy. Do you feel it getting looser? Man, I hate going up. Thank you. And all right, riders. As soon as we're back on the rail, Tyndall is there. Turn to the right. And let's ask our horse for a trot. We'll do a posting trot as a review. And to ask our horses into a posting trot,
You're quiet.
we will tighten our legs on our horse's belly. Use both legs. Squeeze on your horse's belly. Shorten your reins. And begin your posting trot. Tyndall, I like your alignment and your posting trot. Your knees are bent. Looks like it's very smooth for you, and it looks smooth for your horse as well. your horse move and appreciate your ride. Rebecca, nice, nice. I like how you're doing your posting trot with your hands being low to its neck. You might want to bend your elbows just a little bit. All right, riders, let's have a half circle reverse. On the count of 3, we'll pull on our inside rein and turn our horses around. Let's slow to a walk.
They can't hear you.
Huh?
I don't think they can hear you.
Rebecca, can we slow to a walk? Transition to a walk and do a half circle reverse. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, inside rein to our hip. And back on the rail, going the opposite direction. I don't have a very good voice.
You just really gotta yell from your gut.
I'm trying and I don't do that well. I could yell when my daughter was younger.
I know, I could yell
I
at
could
summer
scream
camp.
at her.
I could yell at summer camp. And I had to channel my camp counselorness for this.
So, today, our new activity will be going over the ground poles in a trot in a 2-point position.
Okay.
So, we'll turn at the quarter line at B, Rebecca, when you get to B. When you get to P, please begin a posting trot. Then when you get to B, you may turn into the center line, go over the middle of the ground pole, going to a 2-point position at the purple cones, and then you may sit back down at the pink cones. And Tyndall, nice. That looked very smooth. And then come over, begin your 2-point position at the purple cones, and Tyndall at the purple cones, 2-point, and end at the pink cones. Riders, that looked awesome. I like how smooth it was for the horse, and you seem to be in good control of the horse, and that it was easy.
Are we going back over again this direction?
No. You may stay on the rail for right now. On the count of 3, we will have a half circle reverse again, and we will go over the poles going the opposite direction. So we'll go to the inside using our inside rein. 1, 2, 3. Okay, riders. Miss Tyndall, I may need you to circle around the pole and the cones and come back this way. Okay, at F, when you get to the letter F, you may stay in your posting trot and begin your 2-point position now at the pink cones, and you may sit down at the purple cones. Yay, was that fun?
Yay!
It looked good. And Tyndall, very nice position on your 2-point. Your horse looked like he was enjoying that ride over the poles. Once again,
Courtesy circle.
thank you for leaving some space in between horses. Now you may walk on the rail. And cool our horses down. So for the cool down, let's roll our shoulders forward and allow our bodies to relax as we let our horses cool down.
Something's coming down the road and it might startle the horse.
I know.
So remember, think, plan ahead for that.
So, riders, I hear some emergency siren noise, and for safety's sake, I would like for y'all to turn into the center of the arena and come to a woe. Facing the announcer's stand. So Miss Kendall, could you come around the set of cones and toll and come over here and we'll have a woe. Evie, could you stand here?